Welcome back to AutoMaster, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special: India's own Hindustan Veer 2025, a vehicle that blends heritage with modern-day toughness. Designed for those who crave adventure, this SUV is built to conquer both city roads and off-road trails with ease. Let's start with what makes the Hindustan Veer stand out. The exterior design is a perfect mix of ruggedness and sophistication. With its high ground clearance, muscular wheel arches, and a bold front grille that carries the iconic Hindustan badge, this SUV commands attention. The LED headlamps, along with striking DRLs, not only enhance its aesthetics but also improve visibility on the road. From the sculpted body lines to the robust skid plates, every element reflects its durability and off-road DNA. The 18-inch alloy wheels further add to its imposing road presence, ensuring that it looks as powerful as it performs. Under the hood, the Hindustan Veer 2025 packs a punch. It comes with a 2.2-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering an impressive 180 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, it offers a smooth yet commanding driving experience. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or tackling rough terrains, its 4x4 drivetrain, terrain management system, and locking differentials ensure you remain in control. The suspension setup is finely tuned for comfort, making long drives effortless. Step inside, and you'll find a premium yet functional cabin. The touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while the digital instrument cluster keeps all necessary information at your fingertips. With ventilated seats, automatic climate control, and a 360-degree camera, convenience is a priority. Safety is top-notch with 6 airbags, ABS, ESC, and advanced driver assistance systems, making every journey secure. Now, let's talk about the price. The Hindustan Veer 2025 is expected to launch at a competitive price range of 15 to 20 Indian rupees lakh, making it a strong contender against rivals in the mid-size SUV segment. What makes it even more appealing is its unbeatable combination of rugged performance, modern technology, and affordability, making it a perfect choice for adventure lovers and families alike. So, is the Hindustan Veer 2025 the SUV you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoMaster for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.